All right, I know, crazy hair. Anyway, we out here. We got amigo rang in
Do you wanna
a
show?
bag. Show.
In a bag, there's like eggs, chicken, cucumber.
So good.
Lettuce.
$1.20. But where are we? What are we doing?
Waterfall hike.
Let's do it. Go.
65 each.
80,000 for 4 waterfalls.
Yeah, it's kind of expensive.
$8.
For Indonesia.
45 minutes round trip. Or no, 45 minutes to visit all 4, and then 45 minutes back. We got the drone, we got the camera. You guys are coming with us. Woo!
Alright, how do you feel before the waterfall hike?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
Pretty good. I'm worried about my knee.
We've got it taped up.
I ran 23 kilometers and busted my knee.
Uh-oh.
That was 2 days ago.
Maybe on the 23rd day it'll be better.
It's been resting for a long time, so it should be good. Pray for me.
How do we feel for the waterfall hike?
Woo!
Tired.
Tired. Cold. What? Australians, let me tell you.
It's always the Aussies. Is this like... Wait, keep it like that. It's like reversing my face.
Yeah, that's what happens with cameras.
Does it go like that when you watch it back?
Yes. So sick, look at this, dudes. Oh my god. Waterfall number 1? This might be 1 and 2 actually, I don't know.
First waterfall down.
What would you rate that?
We couldn't swim, so demerits a couple points for that.
Demerits points.
But it's beautiful. I would say like 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
You?
I would give it 7.
Yeah, I kind of.
It was like a 2-minute excursion. Just check it, snap a couple pics, check off the list,
Whoa.
on to the next.
Yeah.
Look at this though, this is gorgeous. So we've just been informed that this waterfall is sewage runoff, and we're allowed to swim in it because girls can't swim with their bikinis and the other ones because they're sacred.
Oh, this is the only one you can swim in.
But this one you can swim in because it's not sacred anymore because it's literal sewage runoff. Woohoo! No drinking, not allowed to drink though. What do you guys think of that last one? Rate it out of 10.
Amazing. Fresh,
good.
amazing.
10 out of 10.
Beautiful.
So good. Good massage.
I really waterfalls is the thing I love the most.
Yes.
Better than sex, no?
Yes. Better than snakes.
What's going on, guys? If you made it this far, you've watched the entire video, thank you so much. Please comment down below what you want to see me do over here on my adventures. If you guys want more day in the life type videos, vlogs, adventures, yeah, just comment down below, let me know. Peace, enjoy.